Hi guys, in this video, we will learn about dictionary data type in Python. Watch the entire video because we have a quiz question for you at the end and one lucky winner will get an exciting merchandise. But before you go ahead, do click on the subscribe button to see all the exciting stuff we are going to bring out and hit the bell icon so that you know when we bring out a new video every week for you.
After completing this topic, you will be able to create a dictionary object, access contents of dictionary object, perform operations on dictionary objects. Hi, I'm just back from a game of cricket with friends. I love sports, I love to keep track of the sports trivia. Did you know that in the latest ICC Test Team rankings, India has 125 rating points? Let me show you how you can use the dictionary data in Python to organize such data. Like lists or tuples, dictionary is also a collection data type. However, it is not a sequence. It is an unordered collection of items. Each item is a key value pair. For example, India is the key and 125 is the value. In the dictionary object, the value is bound to the key by the colon symbol. One or more key value pairs separated by comma are put inside curly brackets to form a dictionary object. A dictionary can contain other data types. Look at this one. It has lists as the values in the key value pairs. Or, in this dictionary object, the keys are tuples. But remember, the key should be an immutable object. So, a number, string, or tuple can be used as a key but not a list. One more thing, a key cannot appear more than once in one dictionary. If a key appears more than once, then only the last one will be retained. The value, however, can be of any data type. One value can be assigned to more than one key. Remember how the items in a list or tuple have an index number? Well, items in the dictionary don't have it. That's because it is not an ordered collection. So, how do we access items in the dictionary? Simple. Using the key with the get method. Let's say we have a dictionary called capitals with countries as the keys and their capitals as the values. To fetch the value associated with key France, we use the syntax capitals.get and within parentheses and quotes France. Look at another example called mobiles. To fetch the value associated with Nokia 7, we can use the get function as shown here. Now, let's say we want to modify one of the values in a dictionary. Maybe change the points for India from 125 to 130. We simply use the same key India and assign the new value to it using the syntax displayed. You can also specify a new key and assign a value to it. It will get added to the dictionary. Now you know about the dictionary object. I hope you will practice the syntax for creating, accessing, and modifying it. And if you are wondering how many runs I made in the match today, let's just say that you would need only a single digit integer to store the value.
Now that we know about dictionary data type in Python, are you ready for the quiz? Here is your question. For storing the rating points, we used country names as keys. Would it be a good practice to use ratings points as keys? Answer in the comment section below. One lucky winner would receive an exciting Internshala Trainings merchandise. Hope you enjoyed learning about dictionary data type in Python. This video tutorial is a part of the Internshala Programming with Python training program, and to learn concepts on the building blocks of Python, object-oriented programming, the use of SQLite database, and the development of GUIs for Python applications, visit the link in the description. To learn exciting new concepts and skills on the go, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay tuned.